Hello and welcome everyone. Just a quick video to kind of demonstrate to you how I'm going to replace how I'm going to plug in the microSD card into my Umidigi F2. And the process is very simple. Again, my cell phone is still in the silicone shell that came with the device. I'm going to slightly slide it open to the side. I'm not removing the whole thing because I don't want to put my fingerprints. This is the pin that came with the device. I don't know if you can see it. And then I'm going to, if you look at the telephone, if you're holding it in your, let's say, left hand, towards the top end of the telephone on the left hand side of it, you will see a small slot which has a tiny hole to open the tray where the microSD card and the SIM card goes. So I'm using the pin that came with the telephone. I'm going to gently insert it, just press it a little bit, and just like that, it will pop the tray right out. Removing the pin, I'll put it to the side, slide the tray out, and you will see that I already have inserted the SIM card in here. Again, my provider is AT&T. I only have one SIM card. The first tray or compartment inside of the tray is for the first SIM, second is for SIM2, and then finally the horizontal alignment is for the microSD card. I'm going to take the microSD card and insert it here. And again, I have done another video just to kind of demonstrate to you what microSD card I am using. So please do check it out in case you're interested. One thing I've also learned is that it's advised to use, if you only have single SIM card, it's advised to use that SIM card in SIM position 1 and not in SIM position 2, because what I'm hearing is that the E&M interference can impair the performance either of your SD card or of your telephone. So if you're using a single SIM just like I am, just make sure that you put that into SIM compartment position 1, as I have done it here. Just like that, with the same orientation, I'm going to slide the tray back into the slot into my telephone and lock it in place. And that's about it. Guys, again, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section and I will address them as I see them. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you very much and have a great day.